let's go ahead and talk about this intake. Alright guys, so I installed this intake about 2 months ago. And I wanted to go ahead and say that first thing is the install of this intake wasn't terrible. However, there was some fitment issues with this housing here, the rubber grommet down there that holds it in, and this little area right here. I mean, you could probably see this. I mean, it's still a little loose. It doesn't quite line up. Next thing is getting this pipe on. There's a little hose down here, and it's supposed to be like a little like air nipple down here underneath this intake. Trying to get this hose on that nipple while you're in such a tight space here, it's tricky. You got to really finesse it in there. One thing is a lot of people have trouble with are these studs back here for the turbo inlet, and I really didn't have issues with that. I mean, you don't want to drop them obviously, but I mean, I just got some extensions on it, magnetic extensions, and did the job pretty well. I mean, no problems there. The other issue was there is a clip for the diverter valve right, it's hard to see, it's right down there. So what you need to do is you need to get this pipe in there, kind of situated in there first. Trying to clip this diverter valve in to the bottom of this pipe here, man, that is hard, because you could probably see the inlet for the diverter right down here by the turbo inlet. It's tricky. It was a mess to getting in there. It took me about an hour to figure that one out, because that clip is not that easy to clip in. It wants to resist. It just did not want to go in. The next thing is that this intake, I haven't seen a whole lot about this, except for a couple of other YouTubers and other YouTube videos, that whenever you get in a boost with this thing and let off, there's like a noticeable thud noise, like a thump, every single time. And if you have the radio on, sometimes you'll hear it, sometimes you don't. It's louder at other times. It's really the weirdest thing ever, and I don't know if other intakes have that problem. I mean, I think it's because this piping is so thin. I mean, it's like paper thin piping here. I mean, it's very thin. And I think that noise from the diverter valve is what's causing it. It's just, you can hear it more audibly. Like, say if you had a different intake that had, like, you know, carbon fiber piping here, you probably wouldn't hear it because it's thicker and, you know, resonates less sound. But since this is like some very thin plastic wall, you could probably hear it. I really didn't have any issues with the this little hose down here for the coolant. That wasn't really an issue for me. I mean, other than that though, the intake, it sounds good. However, I mean, it's subtle. For an open intake, it's not as loud as you think it would be. I mean, I'm sure there's louder intakes out there, but for me, I kind of like it. But at the same time, I wish I had a little bit more noise. Because I mean, if the windows are up in the car and you're driving, getting into boost, you barely really notice it. Other than that, I mean, intake functions the way it's supposed to be. Haven't really had any problems with it. Nothing popping loose. But yeah, guys, let's go take a little drive, see if you can hear it. I might get some shots outside the car so you can kind of hear it better. Alright guys, if you like this video, leave a comment, subscribe, share it with your friends. I'll see you on the next one. Remember, stay driven.